Properties are usually repossessed when an owner has defaulted on their mortgage and fallen into arrears, or the mortgage lender, who as a result applies to the courts for the issuing of a repossession order. This is usually followed by an eviction order. That's how most repossession houses enter the real estate market as houses for sale. The sale of the property goes towards paying off the previous owner's debts, and the lender is legally obliged to get the best possible price. In order to recoup their investment as quickly as possible, lenders will often price the property below market value to encourage a sale. Auctions can be a great way to find cheap, repossessed houses, especially those that may not sell through traditional channels. When properties are repossessed and not sold through a high street estate agent, they may end up at auction. The advantage of selling repossessed homes at auction is that lenders can usually achieve a quick sale at a guaranteed minimum price. This is because the contract of sale at auction must be completed within 20 working days of the auction date. Buying property at auction is very different from buying through an estate agent. Before you make a move, try attending a few auctions or watching some live ones online to see how it works. Understand this key distinction. An accepted bid at auction is immediately legally binding. Pre-auction due diligence is therefore essential. Many repossessed properties are sold through prominent national or London auction houses, such as Savills, and they are typically not explicitly marketed as repossessions. Bank repossessed houses. Repossession of property by a bank is a legal process, where the lender takes ownership of a property because the borrower has failed to make mortgage payments. These properties are resold in order to recoup losses, and as banks and other mortgage lenders want to recover funds as quickly as they can, the properties are often sold way below market price at local or national property auctions. Private property sales. With people still facing financial difficulty, coupled with the slightly unstable state of the UK economy, the number of repossessed homes sold at property auctions has increased. Some repossession houses were owned by homeowners who fell behind on mortgage payments, yet many others are new builds and flats from developers, as well as buy-to-letters who have fallen on hard times. To get a full breakdown of repossessed properties and our best tips, go to ukauctionlist.com/repossession-houses. Members can also explore our auctioneer directory to connect with multiple auction houses and ask to be notified when they receive repossession and other properties that match your requirements. Don't miss a single opportunity. Sign up for our daily or weekly auction alerts and find your next deal sent straight to your inbox.